Hey everyone, my name is Spencer and welcome to the BioBidet booth at CES 2022. This is our latest and greatest bidet seat, the Discovery DLS. It's a retrofit model so it can fit most existing toilets and it brings a lot of cool features with it. First and foremost, you've got auto open and close on the seat and the lid. What's really cool is we've got built-in UV sterilization. So under the hood there, after every single use, UVC lighting is washing all the nozzles and whatnot. From a profile standpoint, we're really thin. We're under 3 inches here. So, at first glance, this is almost a stylized toilet seat. You're going to get all sorts of features and adjustable temperatures. So you've got adjustable water pressure, adjustable nozzle position, adjustable seat temperature, different spray options, spray patterns, and things like that. But the name of the game is really going to be that auto open, and that UV sterilization, and that low profile. There's a sibling product to the Discovery DLS, and that is the Discovery DLX integrated toilet. So we'll swing over there in a moment. But I'll show you some of the features here first. So there's a seat sensor built into this bidet seat. It's not going to allow you to use features unless it detects that a user's seated. So you can see it's going to do like a pre-rinse on the nozzles as soon as you sit down, and then you can activate a wash. Get my shield out here. Stainless steel nozzle. At this point it's gone through a UV sterilization cycle. Try not to pink the booth here. And then you'll notice, after the nozzle has retracted, opening instead of closing, the lights on the side of the product are going to show that it's gone into a UV sterilization cycle. So you can see the glowing ring there, and that'll change colors once it's done sterilizing. So now, why don't we swing over to the DLX? So this is the Discovery DLX, kind of the big brother to the Discovery DLS. It's a full integrated bidet toilet, so you've got a couple extra features under the hood here. At first glance, you're going to notice, now that the porcelain is involved with the whole toilet, you've got a killer modern design. Now we can talk about flush features as well. So it does have built-in auto flush, so as soon as you stand up and you've done what you need to do, it'll flush. But the coolest feature on this one is going to be this innovative kick button that we put here. So it's a stainless steel button and it's got the little LED glow to it. And if you kick it once, it opens the lid. If you kick it a second time, it opens the seat. And if you kick it a third time, it flushes and closes everything for you. Really user-friendly. Definitely it's been the star of the show.
So how hard is this to install?
So the unit is going to arrive like this. So from an installation standpoint, the hardest part is going to be removing your existing toilet. Once you've got that out of the way, it's going to come with a wax ring. You're going to put the toilet down, bolt it down. As long as you've got electric, plug it in, and it connects to the water the same way you would connect a normal toilet to your fresh water supply line. So it's really user-friendly. It's really DIY. I know there's skepticism about getting involved with plumbing and housing and things like that, but it's really straightforward, and it looks like this out of the box. So this is the BioBidet by Bemis Slim Edge bidet attachment. It's got a universal install, and it can install on almost any existing toilet. You put it right between your toilet seat and your toilet. It connects to your existing freshwater supply line. Very quick installation, about 15 minutes. You've got a dual nozzle design with different spray patterns, and all you got to do is turn the knob towards which wash you want to activate. Nozzles will come down, and you've got bidet functionality. So this is the Bemis Air Purifier line, brand new for 2022. We've got 3 different models. Showcased here, we've got the tower model and the pedestal model. We've also got a pod, which is a travel. The tower model comes in white and black. It's got a version with app functionality and a version without. And what's really cool about these is we wanted to make sure that when we were introducing air purifiers, we were bringing something new to the table. So first and foremost, from a design perspective, you're going to see that we've got a natural maple wood panel, a little bit of a modernized design here. So a lot of air purifiers, it's something that you use for the functionality, but maybe you put it behind the couch or the corner of the room. You just set it and forget it, kind of put it in the corner. So with these, they're almost meant to be a complementary piece of decor. The big game changer for this one is it's got a built-in oil diffuser. So 3-stage air purification process, drawing in the air from the bottom. It's a true HEPA filter. When it's finished going through all the different levels of filtration, there's an air diffuser or an oil diffuser at the top here before the air gets dispersed out. So you've got lavender, you've got eucalyptus, we've got some other scents and things in development, but you just put little pods beneath the maple panel here, and your air purifier is a 2-in-1 combo at this point. So as far as functionality, it's got an auto mode. It's going to give you a digital readout of the air quality, and it's going to automatically adjust the fan speed as it needs to. You've got like a cyclone mode, which is for when the cooking goes a little crazy or someone's burning something in the oven, so you can engage that. What I really like is the night mode though. So it becomes photosensitive if you toggle that on. So if you're, you finish dinner and you're gonna sit down and watch a movie, you're gonna turn off the lights. You gotta make sure you can hear your movie or something like that. So it'll turn off when the lights are down. Or you're gonna go to bed and you've got it in your bedroom, it'll turn off so you can go to sleep when the lights are down. So really responsive. It's really user-friendly in its design. Power it on, set it the way you want it. You can have it stand out because it's a killer design, but then you've got the oil diffuser functionality as well. I think for air purifiers, it's almost hard to understand, is it or is it not working? Because how do you see that the air is a better quality? Of course, over time, you can feel it in terms of ease of breathing and whatnot, but getting those subtle hints of the oil diffuser throughout the room or throughout your home is a really cool giveaway that it's doing its job.